The world of two-wheeled motorcycles is once again buzzing. This time, the attention of sport bike enthusiasts is focused on a name that's currently trending, the 2026 Honda CBR500R. This mid-range, fared sport bike is said to be one of Honda's key weapons in facing the increasingly fierce competition in the 500 cubic centimeter segment. Unsurprisingly, discussions about the latest CBR500R have quickly spread across motorcycle communities, automotive forums, and social media. One of the most talked about topics is the possibility of major design changes to the 2026 CBR500R. Many observers predict Honda will introduce a sharper, more aggressive, and more modern look. The CBR series aura, synonymous with racing motorcycles, is expected to be even more pronounced, giving the CBR500R a more premium and sporty appearance than the previous generation. This bike is also considered suitable for young riders who want to look dashing without having to choose an overly extreme supersport bike. It wouldn't be Honda without innovation. The 2026 CBR500R is believed to come with enhanced features that will make it even more relevant in the modern motorcycle era. Some of the most talked about features include a more informative, fully digital instrument panel, more futuristic LED lighting, more comprehensive safety and ride control systems, ergonomic comfort for long-distance touring. With these updates, the CBR500R is not only a fast motorcycle, but also a comfortable sport bike for everyday use. Elegant new color options are available alongside the iconic Tricolor, maximizing the CBR1000R art-inspired body style, giving the CBR500R a sharper edge as it enters 2026. The CBR500R prioritizes top-quality equipment and dynamic performance, thanks to a wealth of premium technology, including a 5-inch TFT display with Honda RoadSync smartphone connectivity, a Showa 41mm SFFBP USD fork, and dual radial 4-piston brake calipers. The CBR500R has long been known for its unique engine character, not too wild, but still delivering solid and responsive power. That's why this motorcycle is often considered an ideal choice for riders looking to move up from a 250 cubic centimeters to a mid-size sport bike. For the 2026 model, many expect Honda to maintain this distinctive character while also enhancing its performance to make it even more competitive. The CBR500R has a very attractive position in the market, sporty, powerful, yet friendly for daily use. This character makes it popular with a wide range of riders, from beginners looking to level up to experienced riders looking for a versatile sport bike. If Honda truly brings major updates to the 2026 version, it's not impossible that the CBR500R will become one of the most sought-after motorcycles in its class. With growing enthusiasm, the 2026 Honda CBR500R is clearly more than just an ordinary sport bike. It is a symbol of a modern sport bike that combines aggressive design, the latest technology, and comfortable performance for a variety of needs. Now the public just has to wait. Will Honda really deliver a big surprise? Fans are now waiting for an official announcement from Honda.